This little girl absolutely roasted her dad for his choice of motorcycle. She was just walking home from school when a guy on a bike pulls up beside her. He asks, "Hey, want a ride?" She just says, "No," and keeps walking. He pulls up again. "I'll give you $10 to hop on." She yells, "No," and walks even faster. He tries one last time. "Okay, final offer. $20 and a big bag of candy for a ride." The little girl finally stops, turns around, and screams, "Look, Dad! You're the one who bought the Honda instead of the Harley. You ride it! See you next time."